Hello everyone, today we review the Cuisinart Smart Power 7-speed electronic bar blender in stylish chrome. This versatile kitchen appliance handles blending, pureeing, mixing, liquefying, and stirring with total ease. It features an intuitive touchpad control panel with clearly marked indicator lights. The generous 40-ounce glass jar comes equipped with a dripless pour spout for mess-free serving. You can easily add ingredients while blending using the 2-ounce measuring pour lid. Built to strict North American electrical standards, this unit measures approximately 13 by 7 by 10 inches. Elevate your kitchen routine today with this powerful and reliable appliance. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.